What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Yes, I have been reviewing strip lights because I'm just getting strip lights. All right. So we have strip lights throughout the house, you know, some kids' rooms when they doing their thing and stuff like that. Me, I have it in the basement. I have it out, and I also want to do strip lights in the garage. And that's going to be pretty cool once I'm done my garage project. All right. Oh, 2. Is this longer than 35 foot? Or they might have gave me 2 16 foots. So as you should know, this works with Alexa and Hey Google. Unfortunately, Apple, y'all need to step y'all game up. All right, Apple and Siri, y'all is like left behind as far as I know. Alexa controls the world. All right, so I think we have 2 at 16 foot, you guys. All right, so we have our buttons here, just standard from Govee. You know, the 3 buttons, power button, and I think your brightness and your light button. Basically, you will definitely need to download the app so you can do all the coloring and all that stuff, all the scenes. This is the power cord. It has connectors to where you can mount it on the wall. Like, say you have it on your baseboard on your house, you can actually put these up the proper way. Or you want to put them up on the corner wall of your house, this is pretty good too. So there you go. So here you go. It comes with a little screw. You see that? It's too loose. But anyways, I won't use these anyway. So there is a slight thing that I don't like, which now I wouldn't get this again unless I do more research. All right, so there is a slight thing that I personally don't like, but it may not bother you. Okay, so when you change the light on one end of the roll, the other side of the roll will change to that same color. I thought I could control one roll with just one segment, and then the other roll with a different segment. That's what I wanted. All right, so when you go under segmented right there, you see it's just one S. All right, so if I tap, let me deselect, I tap that corner right there, and let's say I want it blue. So this turned blue, and this part is the end of the old piece that turned blue. And then I got down here, turned blue. I think that may be a defect. All right, now I'm going to do that again. Y'all see it was 3 sides that's blue, and all I did was turn that blue. Now I'm gonna select this one. I want it blue. All right, it did it again. So now I got more blue over there, but this one, the blue, nothing happened on the bottom part. So that part stayed that blue, that part got more blue, and that part stayed the same blue. So I got 3 parts that's turning blue on me. Now let me hit this one, turn it blue. All right, nothing happened there, but it turned more blue all the way over there. So I think that's a defect, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I know Govee does rapid replacement, but luckily I am still on the Amazon's return policy. I think I'm actually, well, I hope so, but I think I'm actually like 1 day away So let me go ahead and show y'all more while I'm here. All right, so we're gonna select that. Let's just do red real quick. Red. Oh, it selected it all red. All right, so this is what happened. I turned all of those red, right? Okay. Now, as you can see this is not good as far as color changing goes. This here is not good. That there is kind of yellowy right here, but red there. Nice dark red. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to select all. Let's make all red. Okay, so all of them turn red, right? Now let's go with deselect all, and let's turn them green with the corner green. Now this turned green. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see how much green that is? And then defective with the yellow in it because I didn't choose yellow. So this is what happened to the first set of lights before I had to use their rapid replacement because I was out of the Amazon return policy. These pair of lights, I don't know what the heck is going on right now. Like, I'm getting, it looks like what had happened last time where my colors was malfunctioning, and that's the same thing that's happening now. But if you select all and choose one color, they all turn green. But when you try to do different colors, or when you try to change, because the purpose of this is to change to different colors, when you do that, it's defective. So sorry Govee, but it's going back to Amazon, and I'm guessing it's going back to y'all. And I'm just going to be honest. This channel, I am honest on this channel. I got 2 more Govees over here. This will probably be my last Govee hurrah, all right? Because I want to get lights for my garage. As far as Amazon goes, if you out of your return window, go to Govee's rapid replacement. They actually have it on the app. Let me see if I can find it real quick. If you go to your human being right here, or which is your user, if you go to your user, you will see up here where it says rapid replacement. And I know somebody probably gonna make fun of my screen. Yo, your screen need a rapid replacement. Okay, I know. I will have a new screen on the channel soon. Y'all seen me do my iPhone 6 screen, so I need to do my iPhone 11 screen, obviously, because I dropped it. Too much going on in my life. All right, you guys, so that's the end of that review. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, please, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified on any other products that I got coming to the channel. I do have more tools later on in the upcoming future, and we have more cool products. Catch y'all in the next video.